how to get key for Google Authenticator. So if you want to get key for Google Authenticator, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Google. After that, go with the top right, which has that profile, and then tap on manage your Google account. And now you need to swipe and then go with security section. Under security, you need to scroll down. And once you scroll down, you will have the authenticator option. You just need to simply go with the authenticator. If you don't find the authenticator here, you just need to simply scroll down and you will have an option of authenticator right here. So you just need to simply tap on the authenticator and enter your screen log or your passkey and make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, it will give you an option of setup authenticator. You just need to simply tap on setup, and once you tap on setup, you will have the QR code. You can just simply scan the QR code, or you can tap on can't scan so that you will get a setup key. So from here, you'll be able to get your key for the Google Authenticator. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.